How to delete search history in Pinterest? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page of Pinterest, from where you will be able to discover various Pinterest videos and photos. So basically there are two ways to delete search history in Pinterest. The first one is you can tap on the search bar right next to the home at the lower button, and you have to tap on the search box at the upper section and you'll be able to see the searches over here. For deleting it, you can simply tap on the cross option right next to it and you can see it has been deleted. Now the next option is you have to go back to your home page and you have to tap on the saved or the profile like option at the right bottom corner, and you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner and you have to go through your settings. Once you're under settings, you'll be able to see your information related to your account. So under that, you have to go for privacy and data and you have to scroll down to the bottom until you see the clear app cache option. Simply tap over there and cache will be cleared, due to which all of your search history also will be cleared. So this is how you delete search history in Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.